Hello friends, this is Zack's pronunciation. Let's pronounce the days of the week in Spanish. The days of the week in Spanish are pronounced from Monday through Saturday with the emphasis on the first syllable, with the only exception being Sunday, which is pronounced with the emphasis on the second syllable. So let's start from Monday to Saturday with the emphasis on the first syllable. Monday is pronounced lunes, lunes. Tuesday is pronounced martes, martes. Wednesday is pronounced miércoles, miércoles. Thursday is pronounced jueves, jueves. J is pronounced like H and V is pronounced like B in Spanish. Jueves, jueves. Friday is pronounced viernes, viernes. Saturday is pronounced sábado, sábado. Sunday is pronounced domingo, domingo. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation and language related videos. See you in the next video.